Damn, this some serious gourmet shit.
Right, let's make some pickles. Coriander seeds, black peppercorns, mustard seeds, white vinegar, some dill. The root bit's okay. This one's a little bit floppy. That's alright. And a clove of garlic. Let's begin by doing approximately a 1-to-3 ratio with vinegar to water. So we're gonna turn this on, and we're gonna go get our pinch of salt. I'm just using pink Himalayan, and if I also had plain sugar I'd use it, but I like to put a little bit of sugar in there, probably just a bit less than what you have of the salt. Now this just depends on how you want to do this. Some people like to put the flavours in the jar with the pickles when they're doing it. I like to put them in the brine as it's cooking, so it releases a bit of flavour. Like half tablespoon coriander seeds. So the pepper, a teaspoon, mustard seeds, a teaspoon as well. Oh, I dropped something. I dropped some cheese on the ground. Definitely don't want to put any dill in there while the brine's cooking. So we can leave the ends on. Okay, pickles are all ickle, pickle, wickle, dickle. Am I gonna test my brine? See how we got the boil? We're just gonna let that cool now. Definitely needs a bit more water. Oh, side note, how fucking sick is that? Look at it. We've got said thing. Probably put the garlic in the bottom, I reckon. Now you just want to crush it a little bit but not destroy it, so that you can just get the skin off. And then we put all the little bits of pickle in. As we put them in, let's just make sure that they're separated. Dill stalks! Kinda what I want to do here though, is I kinda want to put them down the side. Why? Don't ask me why. The reason I put them down the side is because that's kind of how you see them when you're at the shop, isn't it? Like you see them down the side, so that's what we did. Do you know what though? I'm gonna put a bit of chili in this bitch. Let's do this. Now, I reckon just, yep, these aren't too spicy, mind you, so it'll be alright. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this. Get my corner. I want this to cool down, because if you put it on there while it's hot, those pickles are just gonna like disintegrate to nothing. So I guess we gotta come back. So 3, 2, and it was at this point that I realised that the audio stopped working. I'm not sure if it was a jack, not sure if it was because I pulled it out. Either way, rather annoying. So here you can see I'm trying to avoid getting the peppercorns and the other spices in the jar, because I find that sometimes I eat them, and that kind of pissed me off, so I left them out. Just kind of doing my best to try and get a little bit of vinegar on top, a little bit of the spices, but just not too many, and trying to get some of the garlic. Oh well, look, everything I said was a load of shit because I poured it all in there. So here I'm trying to make sure that the seal is clean between the jar and the lid, and then I'm pissed off for some reason. Maybe the tea towels are wet. Probably my thinking. So I'll grab a tissue and I'll clean it with clean tissue. Just make sure it's the inner little rubber seal between the jar and the lid is clean, so it seals well. And I'll tighten her up. And at this point I'm explaining that it's important to put it in the fridge while it's hot. The reason you close it while it's hot is that the difference in temperature will create a vacuum. That's what I'm trying to show here, you know, little pop tops you find. And then I think here I'm just kind of getting lost in the moment, I think. Trying to show that, you know, if it was properly vacuum sealed, you couldn't play drums on it. But seeing as though I just made it, it was still poppable. But the next day, when I took it out of the fridge, it was sealed. And that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed watching. Sorry it took like months for it to come out. Well, you probably don't know that, but it took months to come out because when I realised the audio didn't work the first time, I got pissed off and then just canned the entire project. But then I came back to it and here we are. It's finally finished. I don't know how many months down the track. I don't even live in this house anymore and have a different kitchen, so I look forward to new videos. For the 3 people that watch this, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. See you next time, guys.